Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And first of all, we have to switch the mode to the video one. So let's tap on this video icon. If we've got it in, not inside, but in the middle, it means that we are on the video mode. Now we have to open the settings. So simply swipe your finger from the right to the center, just like that. And here we've got the video settings. Let's tap on this first option, video size. And as you can see, we've got three different options. We've got two HDs, and the only difference is the kind of p-value, so 1080p and 720p, or SD with 480p. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use. Simply tap on it and then it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen video size whenever you will record the video. Of course, as I said, it's up to you, but to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this first option applied as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.